In this quick video, I will show you how to open your Cadillac ATS key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This process is very easy and it just takes a couple of minutes. The only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online for just a couple of bucks. I will put a link in the description that will take you over to Amazon so you can get the exact battery that you need for this particular device for just a couple of bucks, have it come right to your door. So check that out if you are interested, and then we can get right into it. So what you want to do is find this button on the bottom corner of the device here. Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Go ahead and remove the key and then actually hold on to it, because we're going to use that to pry this back piece of plastic right off, just like that. So what we're doing is we're inserting the key just a little bit and then holding the key firmly and just sort of pulling back, prying it off until you hear the back click off, and then you can just pull it apart with your fingers. And let me show you what I'm actually doing just so you can get a clearer picture. When you insert the key, it goes behind this plastic here right under there. You don't want to insert it to the point where it's in there or it's just not going to come off. Just insert it a little bit, just like that, so you can pry this thing off. And now once you have this open, you can set your key down and you can just pull the battery out with your fingernail, or go ahead and use something like a flathead screwdriver, pen, or pencil. Just get that battery out there by getting under it and lifting or prying it up. And then you can go ahead, dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure the positive side that has the plus and that text on it is going face down. And you could just click it into place. Click it into place, face down. And now we can put everything back together. So I'm just going to set this half of the device on top of the other one, squeeze it all together, and put my internal key back in there. That's all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or you can do so by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, remember that on this YouTube channel, we have videos for pretty much every maker model, and you can go ahead and check that out here on YouTube or visit us directly at our website, fobbattery.com.